Welcome back. Another day. So let's start. So today we have an iPad mini. This comes from the other shop, from another shop, and they try to replace the digitizer, and actually the iPad has no light. Okay, so let's check. Let's take out the battery, plug the battery, power up the iPad. We can see the Apple. You can see the Apple logo. Yeah, but it's no light. I tried already with different screens, so it's not the screen. So let's check what's going on there. Maybe a light I see, maybe something else. Let's take this out. This. Okay. I think I need schematics on this one because I haven't fixed iPad lights before. Yeah, that's the one. So let's open ZXW and check for iPad mini 1. iPad iPad mini. iPad mini, okay. Okay. PPVCC main. This looks like what do we need? The VCC line. Okay, let's go under the microscope and check that area and see what's going on there. What is the remote? Okay. The connector looks good. So it's not a broken connector. I was hoped to be a broken connector, you know. So we have, according with the schematics, all these pins are joined together and they goes where? To this capacitor and this capacitor. Okay, and comes here to this coil. See and see. I don't think it's right because I think this is a resistor, but let's check. Let's check. Multimeter. Okay. So we have all these pins. Comes here, here, and here is the ground. Yeah, it's okay, it's fine. So this is a capacitor. The VCC line is now short. Okay, that's bad. Let's find the schematics. Let's check with the schematics. What's the problem? So this is Blackfish V1.5. Okay, iPad, iPhone, iPad series, iPad mini. Okay, iPad mini and nothing. Why is nothing? What's wrong with you? Nothing. Yeah, so it's nothing working on this program. That's very bad. Yeah, nothing working. Blackfish. These come for free when you buy the ZXW. So it's free, that means it's not working. Okay, let's check the other pins. Ground. Yeah, okay. LED strings, okay. What's here? What? P-LED back rack. Okay, this looks important. But I can't see nothing wrong there. Okay, let's check. Probably some kind of ground. Well, let's check to be sure. It's no ground. Let's check closer. So this is no ground. Okay, that's bad. These are some data lines. Okay. Okay, let's go and check. Let's go and check this one. L, it's a coil here. And this. And from the coil goes to the power manager chip. Let's check that coil. let's check that coil. Let's open the shield. Okay. And there's supposed to be a coil here somewhere. Somewhere here. We'll see now. Let's check the schematics. So it's here, next to this, here on the middle. Okay, let's check. A multimeter should be a line here in the middle. Oil. Okay, I think it's here. Let's check the beeping. It says no beeping. I don't get this. Ah, it's not there. Oh, I was wrong. It's here. From here, here. Okay. Let's go back. Then, yeah, that's the one. Let's check if it's beeping. It's not beeping. Why it's not beeping? Should be beeping. It's not. So from here, these are all together, yeah? Yeah. From here, yeah. Should be here. It's not. Okay, here. I was wrong. And comes here. Okay, so the coil is good. Let's go further. Okay, so from here have a capacitor. One is on one capacitor, and we have the chip, the IC, the light IC. So I just should suppose it's a light IC issue. Capacitor, capacitor, it's a resistor. Where this resistor goes? Okay, to ground. So it's this capacitor and go to this chip. Okay, so see. Yeah, and the voltage comes from the main line here. I still don't get it. How rise the voltage is not. We need like a big coil. We need like. You see, we know schematic is proper hard. So I guess that's the problem, this chip. Okay, so let's replace this chip and we'll go from there, because I can't see any other problem. That's good, comes here, this is ground, okay, and from here, yeah, that's VCC main line, should be the main line. Okay, let's replace that chip. Let's find another board. Replace that chip. Well, I don't really think that's the problem. Okay, let's take down the chip. I don't think that's our problem, but let's replace it. Let's replace the chip. I really don't think that's our problem. Okay. Okay, so that chip is replaced. Let's check again, see if it's any change. Plug the screen, plug the digitizer. So nothing. We have the Apple logo but no light. Okay, that's proper bad. Let's check with the multimeter. I have 4 volts here. You can see on the, okay, that's mean on the connector I should have same 4 volts. Oh no, here. So I don't have 4 volts. I have nothing. Let's go back. Okay, probably because the light is off. Four volts here. Nothing here. Four volts, yeah, it's fine. Okay, so now I'm stuck. Now I'm stuck. Okay, it's going here. That's here. This is ground. Why I have 4 volts here? VCC main LCD ramp. And this is a capacitor. Okay, and here is ground. VCC, PP VCC main. Okay, that's normal to be 4. Yeah, probably that's. Yeah, goes to ground. The same thing and this same thing. I think this schematic is wrong. What's this? Okay. We can see here a big diode. This one. What's this one? I have no idea what's that one. And this chip? PP PP3 V3. Okay. That's wrong. I really need a schematic. Okay, let's take a break and try to get the schematics. Okay, we're back. I can't make this program work in Blackfish 1.5 or even 1.4. Nah, it's no way, it's not working. But I have a clue. Let's go on the Google and let's type. You know, sharing is the best thing from the world. So let's check the other people share on the iPad mini light ways. Okay, let's check some pictures. Images. And if you can see, you can find a lot of pictures and a lot of help. What I'm interested to find my iPad here. Let's check and try to find the same one. Let's see if we can find the same one. Okay. Let's check this one. Okay, let's check. No, it's not this one. It's not this model. Let's find the right model. Okay, this looks like ours. Okay, so actually I was wrong. The light pin is here. That's VCC for the only for the display in the picture, but the light is here. And from here we have a little fuse. Let's go on the under the mic. Okay. Let's go closer. So let's check. Let's take out the battery and the screen. So the light actually is here on these two pins. From here comes, should be coming here. Well, let's check. Yeah, here. So that's a fuse. They are calling this filter. So here is no ground. So this is a fuse and it's not good. So let's replace that fuse. You see, Google is very helpful. People sharing, that's a very good thing. Let's replace that one. Okay, let's find another one. Yeah. Okay, let's put the fuse there. Okay, that looks perfect to me. Let's check again. Let's check a little bit on the so we replace, so these two pins, and we replace this L. PP LED out. Yeah, so this is a fuse, and no L. L is mean a coil, it's not a coil, it's just a fuse. So let's check. Okay. So that's what we replace. Comes from here, here. That's the one you have to replace, and it's a fuse. Yeah. Okay. And under the mic, under the board, again maybe can be helpful for other people. So don't do same mistake like me. So that's the fuse here. Yeah. You can check with the multimeter to be sure it's right. Yeah, it is right. So let's check our iPad. Put the LCD back. Let's put the battery back. Let's power up. And we have a light. So that was the issue. I can't say that Apple go wrong with these fuses, because if it's not a fuse there, probably the backlight IC will blow up. So if the fuse blow up, that means someone made some short on the live VCC line. But anyway, now everything is working fine. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, bye.